You're in your office working on a report. Everything looks normal, but really underneath, a silent revolution is taking place. I'm talking about AI, not about robots taking over the world. Well, just yet, but about how AI is changing the nature of work everywhere. A report by investment bank Goldman Sachs says artificial intelligence could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs by 2030. That's a lot. Maybe you're thinking, I'm okay because I'm a manager or in finance or a graphic designer. My steady paycheck is safe. But maybe not. AI is affecting all of those, as well as customer service, programmers, salespeople, teachers, and more. I used to outsource to graphic designers to make 3D images for me. Now I can make them in seconds. Look at some of these great images and video clips AI made for me for free. So what's the answer? Do you give up everything and start learning AI? Maybe, or maybe not. Let's look at some of the solutions. But first, what if everything you thought you knew about financial security was a lie? You might think a steady paycheck is my security and I can cling to it like a rock. It may feel safe, but in the world of AI, it might be a rock that's sinking in the sand. That very idea of a job for life, it's dead. Companies are streamlining, automating, and outsourcing faster than ever. I remember back in the day when mechanical engineering was replaced by electronics. I worked in a telephone exchange which had about 20 engineers. Within a few years, these engineers were replaced with sealed units and no staff whatsoever. This type of thing can happen with AI. Corporate greed wants you to feel comfortable, complacent, and dependent on that single paycheck. They want you to think, I'm good, I have a job. Meanwhile, they're building robots that will replace you. But you can fight back. You can build financial resilience that protects you from the coming storm. Think about it. You trade your time for money. One source, one boss, one pink slip away from disaster. You think you're in control, but really you have all your eggs in one basket. What happens if you lose that job? You have nothing. What are the other costs of working for one company for a paycheck? Stagnation. Are you growing your skills and knowledge, or do you just go in every day and do what you have to do? Lost opportunities. Are you sacrificing your dreams just for that regular deposit into your bank account? Financial safety. How long could you actually survive without any income? 1 month, 2 months, 3? Looking back to when I worked for a company for 10 years, even after promotion to manager, I had no savings, just 2 loans and a mortgage. So the first step is to build up an emergency fund and then a freedom fund. The emergency fund so you can relax if something happens, and the freedom fund so you can build your future. Financial freedom is all about saving and investing to give you passive income to live on. Save every penny you can. Even when I quit the rat race back in 1990, I didn't understand all this savings and investing lark. For many years, I spent my money on having a good time and traveling the world. But after running out of money, not once, but twice, I started to take it seriously. I built up savings and created other passive income where I'd be okay, even if I didn't work for 10 or 20 years. That's true financial security. I invested several different ways, but now I prefer low-cost index funds. The second step to financial security is multiple income streams. Even Warren Buffett says never rely on a single source of income. This emphasizes the importance of diversifying your income streams to reduce financial risk. Do some freelancing, start a side hustle, create an online business. There are many opportunities out there. Do that instead of wasting time scrolling through social media. I really believe a business should be something you love. When you're passionate about it, you'll work hard and you can achieve more. Thirdly, upskill like your life depends on it. Learn new skills that are in demand to future-proof your career. Over the years, I've learned accounting, programming, graphic design, photography, web design, business, and much more. It sounds a lot, but this was over several years. Each one improves financial security. It meant I could start offline and online businesses. The ultimate payoff is freedom and control, where you aren't reliant on a paycheck. You can decide what projects you do and where in the world you want to be, whether that's on a tropical beach or at home with loved ones. That's the power of building financial resilience. By the way, I've made a guide. It gives you the steps to escaping the rat race, to get location and financial freedom. I'll put a link in the description below. The future is uncertain. AI is changing everything, but you don't have to be a victim. Take control of your financial destiny, build a fortress, and break free from that steady paycheck trap. Open a low-fee investment account and start saving. Brainstorm side hustles that fit in with your hobbies or expertise, and start learning new things. That will protect you from the changing world. It will put you one step ahead of most other people. The unknown's scary, but don't let that stop you. It can give you the energy to build a better future.